Hi, it's Timo. In the last video, I used AI to help Laura optimize her resume to become a talent acquisition manager. In this video, the topic is LinkedIn profile optimization. Next, let's use ChatGPT to help Laura tailor her LinkedIn profile to reflect her aspiration for a talent acquisition manager role, showcasing her expertise and accomplishments. First, I'll give ChatGPT a role. You're an experienced career coach, HR, English specialist, do you understand? Let's hit enter. And I'll copy paste the next prompt. Great, I'm a talent acquisition specialist. How can I use ChatGPT to tell my LinkedIn profile to reflect my aspiration for a talent acquisition manager role, showcasing my expertise and accomplishments? And of course, here you can use the text of your resume, for example, to really use AI to optimize your own profile. But here we use this more of a general prompt just to show you how well even this prompt works. Let's send the message to ChatGPT. And here goes. Certainly, it gives really useful tips for creating professional headline. The same applies to summary. That is the about section, experience section, quantifiable achievements, always a good idea. Past responsibilities, skills and endorsements, recommendations, accomplishments and certifications. Engage with relevant content, customize your LinkedIn URL, and utilize ChatGPT. And it says, remember, LinkedIn is not just a resume, it's a platform to tell your professional story, engage with your work. 100% agree. Okay, let's continue the third prompt. Once again, to give you an idea how to use AI for optimizing your own profile. Thanks, create me an example of a compelling headline. So let's see how it goes. Absolutely. Experienced talent acquisition specialist, passionate about innovative recruiting strategies, aspiring talent acquisition manager, driving growth for people. And it explains why it generated that kind of example for things that this headline accomplishes. Yeah, great. And our final and fourth prompt for this video. Thank you. Create an example of the winning about section. Let's hit enter. Absolutely. It's always so cooperative about me. Then it uses the subtitle key achievements. What drives me? Motivational factors, personal motivational factors. I'm excited about the opportunity. Yeah, then it even argues why it gave that kind of suggestions. Yeah, highly useful once again. In the next video, we'll continue to use ChatGPT to implement Laura's job search plan. Thanks for watching.